What's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the ATTOP drone, and on the right, we have the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Buckle up, because things are about to get airborne. Alright, let's kick things off with the camera quality. ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. It's like having an eagle's eye, but without the threat of being pooped on. You get high-resolution pictures and can control it via an app. But let's be real, 1080p is so last decade. It's basically the blockbuster of camera resolutions. Now, let's talk about the TOMZON P5G. This bad boy sports a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustability and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a Hollywood director in your pocket. If you want your drone to capture every single pore on your face, TOMZON's got you covered. In the battle of the cameras, TOMZON P5G is like a cinematic masterpiece, while ATTOP is more like a VHS tape you found in your grandma's attic. Moving on to battery life, the ATTOP drone comes with 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours rechargeable batteries, giving you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. But hey, who needs more than 30 minutes in the sky, right? Just enough time to annoy your neighbors and scare the local wildlife. On the flip side, TOMZON P5G comes with 2 batteries that give you a whopping 36 minutes of flight time. That's 6 extra minutes to capture your dog chasing its tail or your cat plotting world domination. And let's be honest, every extra minute counts when you're trying to impress your Instagram followers. So if you want to keep flying while ATTOP is taking a nap, TOMZON's got the juice. Next up, control range, because nobody wants their drone to be a rebellious teenager. ATTOP drone has a control range of 196 to 292 feet. That's decent if you're just flying around your backyard or spying on your neighbor's barbecue. TOMZON P5G, however, laughs in the face of short distances with a control range of up to 985 feet. That's nearly 1,000 feet, folks. You could practically fly to your local grocery store and back. Just make sure your phone supports 5G Wi-Fi, or you'll be watching a buffering circle instead of your drone's epic journey. In the range race, TOMZON's like the Usain Bolt of drones, while ATTOP is more like your average mall walker. Now, let's talk features, because who doesn't love extra bells and whistles? ATTOP drone offers some cool stuff like voice control, gesture recognition, and 360 degrees flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it's compatible with VR glasses for a 3D experience. Just don't walk into a wall while you're at it. TOMZON P5G, on the other hand, is packed with features like GPS auto return, follow me mode, and circle flight. It's like having your very own aerial stalker, but in a good way. With the Flycam app, you can even draw custom paths for your drone to follow. It's like playing a video game, but the stakes are real and the graphics are top-notch. When it comes to fun and functionality, TOMZON is throwing a drone rave, while ATTOP is just figuring out how to dance. When it comes to user reviews, both drones have their ups and downs. Reviewers appreciate the ATTOP drone for its durability and ease of use, despite some issues with malfunctioning parts and short battery life. On the other hand, TOMZON P5G is praised for its high camera quality and advanced features, though some users faced connectivity issues with newer smartphones. Overall, the ATTOP drone is seen as a solid entry-level option, while the TOMZON P5G is recommended for those looking to invest in a more feature-rich experience. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent features, the ATTOP drone might be your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for top-tier camera quality, extended range, and more features than you can shake a stick at, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone is the clear winner. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.